Today I'm going to be showing you a new way to package camping meals when going on a motorcycle camping trip. So when we're thinking about cooking on a camping trip, we usually have our food stored in two ways. It's either packaged from the shop, or we put it in plastic tubs and pack it ourselves. But today I want to show you the method called bottling. Now this has been around for a long time, it's just not so popular anymore. But basically what you do is you break small chunks of your food and vegetables up and place them in bottles. Now I've chosen a Lucozade bottle because it's got a big lid and obviously you can fit things in easier. But today I'm going to be making two things. I'm going to be making a fruit bottle so that I've got like some fruits and things in one bottle. And I'm going to be making a meal bottle that's going to have strips of chicken, going to have some peas and potatoes, some vegetables, and then obviously with the Tic Tac box from what I mentioned in the other camping video, we're going to have a little pot of gravy. So let's see what we can fit in these bottles. Let's take them on a camping trip and see how it works out. So when you're camping, there's a million uses for tin foil, and right now I'm going to use it to sterilize a surface. So just lock that on there. So obviously when camping, a lot of the work goes into the preparation before you leave, making sure you've got everything perfected and all your gear is charged and ready to go. So all we're going to be doing is cutting the vegetables in suitable shapes that will fit inside this bottle, and hopefully this is a good idea. As you can tell, we've got a bit of a breeze today. I've had to weigh down the tin foil. So we've got our vegetables, we've got some peas in the tin, we've got some chicken strips, and we've got some potatoes. So we're going to kind of make a budget Sunday dinner. Now obviously when it comes to preparing this and getting this back out, you're not going to sit here and try to shake it all out unless the food is obviously very small. But you just cut the slice, open it into your pot, and you're done. The bottle's gone. So it's a one-time recycling thing. We've just got to fit all the pieces in, and then we've got a lovely meal in a bottle. So there we have it, a meal in a bottle. We've got peas, sprouts, broccoli, carrots, and some chicken. And obviously we want every meal to be different. So the next one I'm going to have potatoes, some other bits and pieces, and then I'm going to make a fruit dish. So let's crack on with that. So now we can move on to the potato dish. So we're just going to scoop some out of here. I have already cut these down a little bit because obviously these potatoes are pretty large and they've got to fit through the top of the bottle. So there we go, another meal in a bottle. So there we have it, two securely packed ready meals, ready to be thrown in a cooking pot and then thoroughly enjoyed. So let's place those in here and begin planning our trip. I'll see you next time.